Stay.
Bringing a puppy home is one of the most exciting moments for any dog owner,
so patiently.
but it can also be overwhelming if you don't know where to start. One of the first and most important lessons every puppy should learn is how to sit calmly on command. The sit command is the foundation of all dog training. Once your puppy learns how to sit, teaching stay, down, and good manners becomes much easier. Before you begin training, it is very important to create the right environment. Choose a quiet place inside your home where your puppy feels safe and relaxed. Turn off loud sounds like the television and keep toys out of reach so your puppy can focus only on you. Puppies have short attention spans, so training sessions should be short. 5 to 10 minutes is more than enough, and you can repeat these sessions 2 or 3 times a day.
Stay.
Always remember that training should be fun and positive. Never yell, never force your puppy into position, and never punish mistakes. Puppies learn best when they feel safe and rewarded. To start training, you will need some small, soft treats that your puppy loves. These treats should be easy to chew so your puppy does not lose focus. Hold one treat in your hand and allow your puppy to smell it. This helps grab their attention and tells them that something good is about to happen. Now let's teach the sit command. Stand or kneel in front of your puppy and hold the treat close to their nose. Slowly move the treat upward and slightly backward over their head. As your puppy follows the treat with their eyes and nose, their head will lift up, and their bottom will naturally lower to the ground. The exact moment your puppy's bottom touches the floor, calmly say the word sit and immediately give the treat. Follow it with gentle praise such as, "Good job," in a happy, friendly tone. Timing is very important here. Saying the word sit at the right moment helps your puppy connect the command with the action and the reward. Repeat this process a few times. Do not rush and do not repeat the command again and again. One clear command is enough. If your puppy jumps up instead of sitting, slow down the movement of the treat and try again. Let your puppy figure it out naturally. Never push your puppy's body into a sitting position. This can confuse your puppy and may cause fear or resistance. Training should always feel like a game, not something forced. Once your puppy starts sitting more consistently, you can begin to hold the treat for a second before giving it. This teaches your puppy patience and helps build calm behavior. Even a 1-second pause makes a big difference in developing self-control. At this stage, you can also start using a simple hand signal along with the sit command. Puppies respond very well to visual cues, sometimes even faster than words. Over time, your puppy will learn to sit using both your voice and your hand signal. Practice the sit command every day in different short sessions. End each session with success, even if it is just one good sit. This keeps your puppy confident and excited to learn. In the next part, we will take this foundation and build on it by teaching your puppy how to stay calmly in position without moving. Now that your puppy understands how to sit, it's time to move on to the next important skill, teaching your puppy how to stay. The stay command is not about force or control. It is about teaching patience, focus, and trust. A good stay helps your puppy remain calm in real-life situations like opening the door, crossing the street, or greeting guests. Before you begin, make sure your puppy can sit comfortably on command. If your puppy struggles to sit, spend a little more time practicing before moving forward. A strong sit makes the stay much easier to teach. Start by asking your puppy to sit. Once they are sitting calmly, stand directly in front of them. Hold your hand up with your palm facing the puppy, just like a stop signal. In a calm and gentle voice, say the word stay. At first, do not move away from your puppy. Staying still is the hardest part for young puppies, so we begin by teaching them that staying in place for just 1 second is enough. After saying stay, count 1 second in your head. Then calmly say, good, and reward your puppy with a treat while they are still sitting. This step is very important. Always return to your puppy to give the reward. Do not call your puppy toward you during a stay. You want your puppy to learn that staying still is what brings the reward. Repeat this exercise several times. Keep the stay very short in the beginning. 1 or 2 seconds is perfect. If your puppy stands up or moves, that's okay. Simply reset by asking them to sit again and try once more. As your puppy starts to understand the concept, you can slowly increase the time. Try holding the stay for 3 seconds, then 5 seconds. Move forward only when your puppy is successful. Training is about progress, not speed. Once your puppy can stay for a few seconds, you can start adding small movements. Ask your puppy to sit and stay, then take a single step backward. Wait 1 second, return to your puppy, praise them, and give the reward. Remember, always go back to your puppy, especially during early training. Your body language matters a lot. Move slowly and stay relaxed. If you rush or look tense, your puppy may break the stay. Calm energy helps your puppy stay focused. If your puppy gets up before you return, avoid saying, no, simply guide them back into a sit and try again with an easier step. Every mistake is information, not failure. Gradually increase the distance 1 step at a time. Always balance distance and duration. If you increase one, reduce the other. This helps your puppy succeed without feeling overwhelmed. It is also important to release your puppy properly. Choose a simple release word like okay or free. After praising your puppy, say the release word and encourage them to move. This teaches your puppy that they are not allowed to move until they hear that word. Practice stay in short sessions, just like sit training. End training before your puppy loses focus. A calm, successful stay, even for a few seconds, is a big achievement for a young puppy. By practicing patience and keeping training positive, your puppy will quickly understand that staying calm brings rewards. In the next part, we will work on real-life distractions, common mistakes, and how to make the sit and stay commands reliable in everyday situations. Now that your puppy can sit and stay in a calm environment, it's time to strengthen these commands for real life. This stage of training is called proofing. Proofing means teaching your puppy to listen even when there are distractions around. This is where training truly becomes effective. Start by practicing sit and stay in different areas of your home. Try the living room, the kitchen, or near the front door. New environments help your puppy understand that commands apply everywhere, not just in one place. Next, introduce mild distractions. Drop a toy on the floor, walk slowly around your puppy, or gently clap your hands. Ask your puppy to sit and stay just like before. If your puppy succeeds, praise and reward generously. If they fail, make the exercise easier and try again. Never punish your puppy for breaking a stay. Mistakes are part of learning. As your puppy improves, slowly practice outdoors. Start in a quiet area like your backyard or a calm sidewalk. Outside training is much harder because of smells, sounds, and movement. Lower your expectations at first and reward every small success. One of the most common mistakes dog owners make is moving too fast. Increasing distance, duration, and distractions all at once can confuse your puppy. Always increase only one challenge at a time. If your puppy is struggling, go back one step and rebuild confidence. Another common mistake is repeating commands too often. Saying, sit, 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 teaches your puppy to ignore the first command. Use a calm, clear voice and say the command only once. If your puppy doesn't respond, reset and try again. Consistency is the key to success. Everyone in the household should use the same commands and hand signals. Mixed signals confuse puppies and slow down training. Remember to keep training sessions short and positive. Puppies learn best when they are having fun. End every session with praise and success, even if progress is small. A confident puppy learns faster than a frustrated one. Over time, begin reducing treats and replacing them with praise, affection, and play. Your puppy should listen because they understand you, not just because they see food. However, always reward good behavior occasionally to keep motivation high. Sit and stay are more than just commands. They teach your puppy self-control, patience, and trust. These skills help prevent behavior problems as your puppy grows older. With daily practice, patience, and positive reinforcement, your puppy will become calm, obedient, and confident. Training is not about perfection, it's about progress. You are not just training commands, you are building a lifelong bond with your dog.